Choosing the right marine paint brand is a critical decision for anyone involved in maintaining vessels or marine structures. In this video, we will be discussing the comparative analysis of marine paint brands. First on the list is the durability comparison. When it comes to durability, each marine paint brand has its strengths, depending on the specific conditions in which the paint is used. For example, Epocoat Guard 82HS and Epocoat Hard Top GX are renowned for their exceptional durability in harsh marine environments, particularly in applications involving aggressive offshore structures. In comparison, SigmaCover 630 and SigmaDur 550 from Sigma offer solid durability, especially in environments where corrosion resistance and long-term protection are crucial. Secondly, performance in marine conditions. Marine environments vary greatly from the calm, warm waters of tropical regions to the rough, cold seas of temperate zones. Epocoat Build 150 and Epocoat Hard Top GX excel in tropical and saline environments, offering superior anti-fouling properties and UV resistance. SigmaDur 550 performs particularly well in coastal environments, providing strong adhesion and ease of application, making it a favorite among professionals who work in variable weather conditions. Thirdly, environmental sustainability. With growing environmental concerns, many marine paint brands are focusing on reducing their ecological footprint. Epocoat leads with its low-VOC options and eco-friendly formulations, such as Epocoat Alkyd Paint, which balances environmental concerns with performance. Sigma also offers environmentally conscious options, like SigmaMarine 87, which is known for its reduced VOC content and compliance with stringent environmental regulations. With the help of this video, you now understand durability comparison, performance in marine conditions, environmental sustainability are the comparative analysis of marine paint brands. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drops. For more information on the comparative analysis of marine paint brands, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.